real smicha, the way it was in the times of the Beis Hamikdash and the times before then, was that the first person to give smicha was Moshe Rabbeinu. Smicha means that you have permission to paskin certain halachos, like different fines, monetary. Someone does something wrong, you hurt someone, so they have to pay a fine for what they did. Only someone who has smicha could rule on these laws. Also, certain laws when it comes to giving someone lashes. Right? Someone that if you do have they are their witnesses and they warn you, so you get lashes. So what type of basin can give you lashes? Only a basin that has smicha. And this smicha needs to go passed down from Rav to Rav to Rav all the way back to Moshe Rabbeinu. So, but after a while it stopped. The goyim they made a rule that the Yidden can't give any smicha anymore, and we don't have it anymore. So the question is, how is it going to come back? It has to come back at some point, either now when the Mashiach comes. How is it going to happen? So, to summarize, how will smicha come back? Either all the chachamim will have to get together and decide to give smicha to one person, or it will be through Eliyahu Navi, or through Mashiach. That was part of the argument, whether they will be able to give smicha. But Adaz gives another opinion way that it says someone of the Shvatim that were lost was Bnei Reuven, and it says they're going to come back before Mashiach. So he says could be they still have the smicha still being passed on from generation to generation by then, and maybe they'll come back and they will give smicha.